Proteins in eggs are located in the egg white of the egg, which is also known as the albumin. Albumin proteins are divided into two categories based on solubility: the albumins and the globulins. The albumin proteins are albumin and albumin. Albumin, which is the main protein in eggs, is a glycophosphoprotein, and it is readily denatured by whipping. Albumin binds metal ions and is also used as an iron transport protein. The globulin proteins are lysozyme, ovomucin, and avidin. Lysozyme has antibacterial properties because it is able to hydrolyze the cell walls of prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria. Ovomucin forms fibular structures in the thick and thin albumin, and the thick albumin contains about 4 times more ovomucin than the thin. Also, ovomucin is a protease inhibitor, meaning that it will prevent any off flavors, rancidity, or discoloration during storage. The final protein is avidin. Avidin is a basic glycoprotein that binds biotin. If an egg is eaten raw, biotin is unavailable for us to use. However, when the egg is cooked, the biotin is released and can be absorbed into our body. Together, these proteins form several functional properties. Eggs can coagulate at around 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, and this is used to add thickness to things such as sauces, custards, or fillings. Because of the amphiphilic nature of egg proteins, they are good foaming agents, and this is due to the interactions between the proteins albumin, albumin, and lysozyme. Eggs also can undergo Maillard reactions, and this is useful in foods such as pizza when the egg white is put over the crust to help with browning and crispiness. Finally, eggs have very high nutritive value. There are only 70 calories, 1 gram of carbohydrates, and provide us with many proteins. They also provide us with many essential vitamins such as B12, folate, and niacin. Eggs are also good foaming agents. When an aqueous solution of the egg white is whipped, the proteins are denatured. And since the proteins are amphiphilic, they form bubbles around the air, making the foam. Another property due to the amphiphilic nature of the egg proteins is it is a good emulsifier, meaning that it keeps the oil droplets in things such as mayonnaise and hollandaise sauce. It keeps the oil droplets dispersed throughout.